How to upload video on TikTok PC. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you upload video from PC to your TikTok account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the TikTok application on your PC. Alright, so after you open the TikTok application, make sure that you are logged in with your account on TikTok. So after you logged in with your account on TikTok, you'll have to just tap on the option upload just at the left hand side of your screen. So from this panel, you'll have to just click on the option upload. Alright, so from this upload section, you'll have to just select or upload the video whom you want to upload from your TikTok account. So simply click on the option select video. Alright, so from this section you'll have to just select the video whom you want to upload on TikTok account, and after you select it, you'll have to click on open. Alright, so after you upload the video on TikTok, you'll get such interface. So from here, on the description section, you can easily type your description for your video, or you can also add your hashtag and mention anyone on your TikTok video. And after you complete this process and settings from here, you'll have to just scroll down and click on the options like post, and after you click on the option post, you can simply add your video from your PC and post it with your TikTok account. So this is the easiest and simplest method to post TikTok video from your PC. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.